What's the meaning of adjoin? Adjoin. 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 The term adjoin refers to the act of being next to or adjacent to something else. When two things adjoin, it means they are connected or touching each other, whether physically or metaphorically. For example, when two rooms in a house adjoin, it means they share a common wall or entrance. In mathematics, the term is used for sets or geometric figures that share a boundary. The result of adjoining two things is that they become connected and form a larger whole. This term is often used in legal documents, construction plans, and academic writing.